Take a look at signings with Pirates going to the next season, 2025-2026 season of the Betway Premiership. Starting with the coach, Abdeslam Odo. Abdeslam Odo unamalokhunjana ama-element amabili esingaqaphela kakhulu yena, looking at what he did with Marumo Gallants a couple of months ago. I think 3 to 6 months khona lapha kwi Marumo Gallants ofika waye-reviver, then yabukeka i-team enga-challenge any team ekhona lapha ku-Betway Premiership, and lokho kufakazela ukuthi iyakwazi ukudla i-Pirates yaphinde yadla i-Chiefs kwi-Betway Premiership. Yasinokha out i-Pirates kwi-Nedbank Cup semi-final. So that was a very, very impressive run, looking at that coach. But ma uzobuka i-career yakhe as a footballer, a central midfielder or a holding midfielder, a defensive midfielder, you think that approach yakhe